Oiling a 14-inch Logan lathe. There are several places where you need to oil with the pump action oiler on a Logan lathe. This is for the 14-inch. On the back of the spindle head, this is the spindle bearings. You just pull this screw while the machine is running and pump oil in there until it comes up to the line, and then put the screw back in. Do not forget to put the screw back in. You don't want stuff in your bearings. Then coming over to the front, you need to hit this oiler and this oiler for the gearbox. And then moving over to the carriage, you have an oiler here. Grab a paper towel. You always want to make sure that on your oilers, you give them a quick wipe with a paper towel so you're not pumping grit into the oiler. So there's one on each side of the carriage, and one back here, and one here. So there's 4 of them on the main carriage assembly. Then you have one on each side of the compound, front and back. You have one on the dial for the compound. Again, make sure you wipe off. Then your cross slide, you have one on top of the dial and one on each side. There. And then you also have one on top of your cross slide or your carriage dial. Then moving down, you have a sight glass. Oil level should be above the hole and at the oil level. You fill it from the side. You just pull this screw, pump oil in there until it goes up, and then make sure you put the screw back in. It's not completely necessary, but I like to put a drop of oil on the setup for the threader. Since this does spin when you turn it on, it'll draw some oil in there and help keep that running smoothly. I actually have a turret mounted to this 14-inch Logan that I built the setup from a different Logan lathe. So this is not part of a normal Logan, but you'll need to oil the some of the oilers that are missing. You just put some drops of oil in here and run those, and that is that. That will oil this machine.